Hi, my name is Amel Torres, and today I'm gonna talk to you about intercultural communication and my project and the scenario. First of all, we're gonna talk about the scenario. The scenario here is Global Bites is a Colombian company, food company with team members from all over the world, especially from Colombia, Germany, and Japan. The situation is that the company has suffer a lot of cultural differences communication because their members are from different places. So this have led to misunderstanding, delays, and frustration during an international marketing marketing campaign. The company wants to see how to solve this big problem that they have. And now we're gonna talk about the different communication styles that the company has. Because the company has teams from people from Colombia, Germany, and Japan. One problem that they have is that everyone have different communication styles. For example, in Colombia, the people that are from Colombia, they are very indirect and relational. Also, one of the characteristics is that they focus on teamwork, empathy, and flexibility. In Germany, they are very direct and task orientated. So they are really focused on the task. And if they think that something is not the way like for example, if they think my opinion is not correct, they're gonna tell me really direct. They also very clear, structured, and straightforward. And lastly, we have Japan. They are also very indirect and very formal. In Japan, they're very polite, but they are very direct. For example, if they think you are wrong or your opinion is wrong, they're not gonna tell you direct. They are just gonna try to avoid the topic. Okay, so the main challenge that the company suffers is the the open criticism from German members seems disrespectful to Japanese colleagues. As I said, for example, in Japan, when you are not the people from Japan when they are not when they don't agree with other people, they are not gonna say it straightforward, you know, okay, they are going to uh, avoid the topic. In the other hand, in the people from German, if they don't agree with your opinion, they are gonna tell you very direct. Also, Japanese silence was misinterpreted as a lack of interest. People from Japan are very quiet, so is seen as a problem from the people from other places, Colombia and Germany. Other problem is that Colombia avoided conflict, which caused ambiguity and slower decision makings. And this result as a with project delays and low team motivation. Because like yeah, because Colombia was avoiding conflict, and that this caused ambiguity and slower decision making, and this results like the team is not working. The team is not working, and this has led to project delays and that like they don't want to work together. May Now we have the project solutions. One of the main solutions is cultural awarenesses to workshop to build empathy and understanding. If the team starts working together and start learning that we have to uh, be aware of our differences and instead of making this a problem, these differences as strength is gonna be a really good solution for the team. Also, meeting protocols with respectful tone, turn taking, and writing summaries. Another thing that can help a lot is mix cultural pairs to encourage collaboration and knowledge exchange. For example, the Colombian work with the German. In this way, the Colombian can learn things from the German, and the German can learn things from the Colombian. So yeah, instead of seeing our differences as something bad, we have to learn from each other. What else? Expected results. Expected results. If we, if they, if the company uses those methods, the expected results are that they are gonna start to have clearer communication and mutual respect, improve teamwork and decision-making speed, increase creativity through cultural diversity, and stronger company culture and employee satisfaction. Something that I didn't mention is that one of the most important things is empathy. For example, my experience working with my classmates, I saw that the most important thing is empathy because maybe we don't have, I don't know, the same characteristic and we're not the same. But if we, instead of seeing our difference as something bad, we understand our colleagues, it's gonna be a really good thing for the teamwork. So consultant proposals. So my proposal is to implement an intercultural training program with monitor team progress and communication efficiency that facilitates workshops for continuing improvement. I think, like I said, the most important thing is to educate and that the people from the company learn that they have to start working from their differences because the differences are not bad, you know, okay? Instead, they can learn from each other and it's gonna be a really good thing for all of them. Thank you very much.